What's going on, everybody? We're back with another video today, and we're finally installing the new front bumper I have for the 335i that I've been patiently waiting for a long time. And I've got some other stuff for it that I got over the winter, so let's get right into it. Unfortunately, I was sent the wrong mirror caps. Clearly, these are for an E90 and not an E92. So if anybody is looking for a set of carbon fiber mirror caps for an E90, hit me up. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.